Hi guys, my name is Madyson. Today we're gonna make gummies. Do you like gummies? You do? And this is the color of the box. And it's the stickers.
Some stickers.
There's colors of the gummies. There's bags. And we have a book here.
An instruction book. Guess that's gonna teach us how to make the gummies, huh?
Yeah.
And what is Alea doing? Okay. But anyway, so now we're on to the instructions. Maddie, I think we should get your mom to help you read those. What you think?
I think yes.
Meanwhile, while working on gummies, Alea is putting up diapers saying clean up when she's gonna mess them up. But hey.
This is powdered seaweed.
Powdered seaweed.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Lemon.
Lemon.
And sour mix.
Sour mix.
Okay. That should be enough. You want to make cherry first?
Yeah.
Get a cup for some water.
Okay.
You need a spoon, a fork, and a plate.
Okay, that's good.
That's it. Got the water. Check out the plates.
This is the seaweed powder.
That's
You're gonna
the
cut the corner all the way off. Yep.
Yes. Mama, it's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. We got all the stuff we need.
Scoot up. Pour it all in. Now we need about half this pack.
Wow, it's looking good already.
Stir the mixture well. If your seaweed powder has hardened a little, please break it apart. You can microwave the mixture in a microwave-safe container until it foams up. Press it. Now, you're gonna have to watch it when it foams up. Can you see it close?
Hi, baby.
See it foaming? Let's see. Let's see. Is it foaming?
Okay, one time?
Yep.
Yeah. Wait, I don't know.
All right.
Stop,
Leia.
Leia. You press that move.
You're gonna put the whole thing in there.
The whole thing? I love cherries. Oh, it's already doing that.
Stir.
Do you want me a picture of a
So we're
gummy
gonna add
Water? A little
one
bit.
teaspoon of water.
1 teaspoon of water. Now can I stir it? Stir it a little bit. It looks like we're making jelly already.
I'm saying, but why did you have to put it back in? Was it too gooey?
No,
To jelly.
to jelly. Wait,
Put it in. Let's see if it foams up. Let's watch it.
Hey, Maddie, I have a question.
yeah.
Should kids use a microwave without their parents?
No,
When should they use a microwave?
with their moms and dads. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All right.
Whoa,
Daddy.
it's so bubbly.
It's foamy now.
It's foamy, guys. Ugh. We got to put this in the fridge for 10 minutes. This is a little bit messy, but I don't know if it's about to do that. So let's go. Bye, guys. Whoosh. Gummy time!
Really? Ready for some gummies? Uh-huh.
Here, I'll raise it up and you pull it off.
Okay.
Put it over there. Put it on the plate.
Okay. Show me the gummies. Show me the gummies.
Bats. I can't get it.
Wrong with your gummies. What are gummies that look like this at? Take that gummy out your mouth.
The bat got a lot of gummies in there.
Stuck. So we're gonna fold it in half, Maddie.
Cherry.
And stick it right here.
Okay.
And put it on here so we know what flavor it is. Alright, and then you could put somebody's name right there and you can give them some gummies. Does not look at that size, nasty. Hold it open.
Maddie,
I think Asa likes sour.
remember, Maddie,
Asa likes sour,
that whole
so.
bag right there needs to fit in that whole bag. Extreme sour, though.
Alright. Now shake them around and put your stickers.
And we made gummies, gummies.
Alright, we're gonna fold it down.
I
Oh
burnt.
my goodness. I don't want
Excuse
that
me.
anymore.
Because those are red pinkish.
Alright. So hold up your sour.
Cherry and sour cherry gum. Thanks for watching. Comment down below which one you like.
All right, those look good, but you know what? I think I prefer my regular gummies.
We make new gummies.